Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing how to change the message or text tone on your iPhone. It's a super easy process, so let's get started. First, you'll need to open the Settings application on your iPhone. Once you're in Settings, scroll down until you find Sounds and Haptics, tap on that. Okay, now scroll down again within the Sounds and Haptics menu. You'll see a bunch of options for different alerts and sounds. Find the one that says Text Tone, and tap on it. Here you'll see all the available text tones you can choose from. The default is usually Note. You can scroll through the list and listen to each one. To get even more options, tap on Classic. Now you have even more text tones to choose from. For this example, I'm going to choose the slide tone. When you select a tone, it'll automatically give you a little preview of what it sounds like. If you're looking to set a custom text tone, I'll leave a link to a guide on how to do that in the description box below. Alright, once you've chosen your new text tone, simply go back to the main screen, and you can start using your iPhone as you normally would. Your text tone has now been changed. And that's it. I told you it was easy. If this video was helpful, please leave a like. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.